long have you been custom paint?
I've been doing custom paint since really I can remember. I've always done drawings and worked with spray paint, and I airbrushed, doing kind of commercial art type airbrush work, and I've done freehand airbrush work. I painted on t-shirts for probably 2 or 3 years in the industry before I got into the motorcycles. So I've been doing motorcycles probably since '92. I'm passionate about motorcycles. If I were to have to give a history lesson on anything in the world, it would be about motorcycles. And so to have the National Motorcycle Museum and be a part of it in this way and be able to use my talents is it's really a blessing. I walk through the museum, I see so many things that I didn't see the first time, some of which were there the first time, some of which weren't there. There's always new things to see, and there's always so much more to learn. There's a lot I don't know about the motorcycle industry and the history of the motorcycle industry, and I like to go there and learn, and I like to go there and teach. I like to take my nephews and other people that I ride with. You're looking for a destination to go ride to. It's nice to be able to go somewhere to see some history. I mean, not just the stuff that Harley was doing, but what people did with Harley Davidson, and what people did with the old, Triumphs and Nortons, and you see everything from a perfectly restored Honda to the hill climbing bikes. It's fun, and there's stuff in there that Von Dutch painted. So I mean, I love that stuff. I love it.